participation and the remarkable learning process done at this unique event with esteemed delegation and business leaders across Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia and Arab, held at the Bandaranaike Memorial International Conference Hall. Also the South Asian Award Appreciation, the Excellence Recognition, the International Sustainability Business Summit focused on Sustainable Development Goals Agenda 2030. Also the Global Icon Award, the Certificate of Excellence in recognition of the organization highly esteemed contribution through outstanding dedication and continuous excellence in the field, presented at the Global Economic Forum G20 Initiative Summit from 5th May 2025 at Sri Lanka.
Mr. Duan Prasad Hemakuda.